Hey, what's good, YouTube? Mic check. 1 2 1 2 3. How are you guys doing today? Look at us, we're using cheap software. How are you guys doing today? Welcome back to another video. Wait, am I still recording? Yeah, I'm still recording. How are you guys doing today? Welcome back to another video. Wednesday, as always. Today we're gonna do something quite different. Somebody asked me in the comment section to review or show you guys how I make my trading journal with Notion. So that's what I'm basically gonna do in this video. We're basically gonna go through my trading journal via Notion, and I'm gonna show you guys the key elements. And if you actually want to check out the trading journal and actually make it yours, click the link down below. I think I'll try to link the journal to my channel. So if you're interested in the journal, link down below. Otherwise, let's get into it. So basically, we're just going to start off with this video with actually show you guys my journal. Like, I'm journaling a trade I took today. I'll explain more on this trade in the Friday vlog. It's a week in the life. I've spoiled some of the details, but like Friday vlog, we're gonna show you guys through. As you can see here, trading journal. First off, let's start from here. We start from here, right? We have trading journal entry 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So basically all I do is just duplicate, right? Duplicate, and then I just rename entry journal 4, and then I go again, entry journal 15, right? Yeah, boom. So currently on entry journal 14. This is a different journal. I actually have more, but like, yeah. And ignore this trading plan, blah, ignore all that. So basically how we start off by defining trading journal, right? Trading journal 1 2 3, whatever. The date, you obviously have to know when you took the trade, the time the trade was taken, number of positions, very important. How many positions you took on the trade. So basically, and then we have the pairs at the beginning, right? So you're going to list down all the pairs you initially trade. Two are missing actually. So we have GBP JPY, and then we have AUD. So we're basically going to list down the pairs you trade with a little tick box, and then you're going to tick on the specific pair you're trading at that particular day. So today we're trading gold, so we ticked on gold. And then we have pre-market plan. I feel like I need to underline this. Boom, pre-market plan. So why did you enter the trade? What was your pre-market analysis? What did you see when you're entering that trade? So on the higher time frames, monthly, weekly, daily, the market had been an uptrend, printing higher highs and higher lows. On the 4-hour, my entry was based off of an engulfing candlestick closure with my stop loss below the engulfing closure. As you can see here, stop loss. That's my entry reason. And then we have trade shots, right? Basically what you click here, basically if you want to put trade shots, all you just have to do is go to the bottom like so, boom, and then click these little dots over there, and then you say, wait, is this the one? No, sorry, hold on, mistakes guys, mistakes happen. So I will go on the plus icon here, right? And then we say, it's probably gonna be here, image, and then boom. If you want, you can add a video, depends on what you want. I'll link the journal down below so that you can edit it and make it your own. So boom, you can add video as well. I haven't made a video, I haven't added a video. I think I'll start adding video elements. And basically here's what the trade shots. You're gonna put photos of the trade, and if you don't know how to take pictures on MetaTrader, you'll find a camera icon. Hold on, it's a full tutorial guys, full tutorial. Like, comment, subscribe, road to 5,000 subscribers. So look at this drawdown. So you see the camera icon right there. We download image, and then we're basically going to go and add an image, and then we're gonna add the image to the, I like to be more specific with my images, you know, maybe show the higher time frame confluences, everything that's on the pre-market. I like to show it on my images. It's just that I haven't pretty finished journaling right now, so that'll make the video longer. Concerns and comments, always good to know what you're concerned about, so if it happens, you know, it doesn't happen as a surprise. You'll be like, oh, I knew this would happen. So concerns and comments. Basic, I am a bit concerned I may get stopped out and my risk is high. So basically anything you're feeling, right? You're feeling, you know, you're scared that the trade might stop you out. You're feeling uncomfortable due to the fact that you risk too much. You know, you're feeling uneasy, or any comments. It can also be positive comments like, oh, good trade, I'm very confident in this trade, oh, this trade ended up playing well, those type of comments, you know. And then we have the less post-market notes. After the comments, this is basically what you're gonna review, what you get from your review, maybe after the trade is done. And then after that, we have lesson. What did you learn from this experience? R multiple used, so 2R, or 2 risk to reward, but I like to call it R. What has been risked, right? Define your risk. I would say about 2%, close to 2%, so it's 1.6%, which is maximum for me. Account before, I'm not gonna indicate that, that's on you. Me, I don't want to show guys. And then account after, you indicate exit time, what time did you exit the trade, stop loss in pips. I don't really put this when it comes to gold, I don't know why, but like I think I have to start, you know, the stop loss in pips. But other pairs I actually do end up putting like so. And then we have exit time, right, sorry, take profit in pips. Rules followed. Have you followed your rules on this trade, so that even if the trade goes bad, you know, okay, I didn't follow my rules on this trade. And then we basically sign out when we are done with everything. Basically just write your name in full, and then everything is that's the journal. And then you exit, and then yeah, basically we're done. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in the prop firm I'm using, click the link down below to get 5% off your purchase of a funded account. If you want information on this trading journal, click the link down below as well, and I'll get you guys sorted. Join my free Telegram channel community actually, and chop it up with like-minded individuals. If you're still watching till this part of the video, I really appreciate you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay trading. Prime out. Like, how do we end this? Come on. I'm using Bandicam, guys. Have you seen this car? Nice car. Prime out.